I boiled corn. So since this is big, I cut it into half. And for him easy to eat, I will cut the corn like this para susubo niya na lang. Para hindi niya nangangat-ngatin yung buong, aray, it's hot. Para hindi niya nangangat-ngatin yung buong corn cob. Corn on the cob. Yan. He loves corn. So, this is his lunch for today. Corn on the cob. And 1 pork sausage. And a steamed broccoli. I will show you guys. So, this is here we go. Okay, it's enough. Oh, it's hot. Oof. Sweet, very good. Yummy, yummy. Sweet corn, fresh, local. I think this is local produce from Oman. And pork sausage. We'll cut it small. There's little bit oil, so take out the oil. And I will cut like this. So, susubo na lang niya. And then, there. There you go. This is pork sausage. German brand. I forgot the name. It's very good. Now, for his, to make it balance, I made a steamed broccoli. Fons, your lunch is ready. There, but it's still hot. So, can you sit down on your chair? Sit down on your chair. Yeah, hot. Why?
Mama is vlogging. Ilalagay ka, madam?
Go, sit down on your chair. So, this is how his lunch look like. Corn on the cob, broccoli, and sausage. I will see his reaction, how he react with his lunch. Look! Come here. Yes, yum. Yay!
Corn is hot.
Yeah. Oh my God, look at your hand. God, you need to... Oh my God, fork, spoon. Use fork and spoon, anak. Yay! Okay. So, do you like your lunch? Do you like your lunch?
Yes po.
Afan? No, don't play, don't play. Do you like your
Don't
food?
play.
Don't play. Do you like your food today? Yes or no? Yes?
Broccoli.
Yeah, broccoli. Be careful, it's hot. And your sausage you have to use?
Not hot anymore.
Yeah. Okay, here's your drink, water.
Like a bulldozer.
Like a what?
Like a bulldozer.
Bulldozer.
Ano po yun?
Do you like your food? Pons. You like mommy prepare your food? Oh, eat your sausage also. There, he loves it. Is it yummy? What about broccoli? Yes.
Not close your eyes.
Don't close your eyes. Okay, eat also broccoli.
Like a poultry.
Yes.
Corn is ready.
Here, it's ready. Eat it now. Oh, we need to clean your hands. We need to put nail polish remover. Okay, so can you show mommy how you eat your broccoli? Broccoli, Fons, broccoli. I know you love corn and sausage, but what about broccoli? Good job. Eat, 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 eat. Eat the whole broccoli. That's it, guys. Enjoy.